Hello and welcome to UnlockLife, a world where every senior feels independent and confident. You are listening to our Take It Easy series. Our seniors ask us many technology related questions and we love answering them. When they feel confident about using technology, we feel the happiest. That's why we thought of sharing it with all the seniors who wish to be independent and confident. We hope you like it. Live location is a WhatsApp feature that allows you to share your real-time location with your loved ones. It's a very helpful tool when you are in transit, say in a car or bus or walking. The location automatically updates as you move. It is also helpful when you are trying to find someone's address. Let's see how we can use it. Let's first open the WhatsApp app and open the chat of the person with whom you want to share your location. Tap on the U-pin icon on bottom right and tap on location. Choose live location and choose a duration for which you want to share your location and then tap on send arrow. By sending live location to your contact will receive a notification that you have shared your location and they can use it to track you till the time the duration expires. If at any point you want to stop sharing the location, just tap on stop sharing. Instead of live location, you can also send your current location. But this will only send your current location and it will not update if your location changes. For both these features to work, you will be asked for permission to share your location. Please allow it to continue. Do remember, you can always turn it off from app permissions in settings. Now you and your loved ones can be in touch with each other safely and easily. Do try this out and tell us what you think. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. If you have more questions, please tell us in the comments and we will answer it. We are eagerly waiting to get your blessings and feedback. You can call us on 98989 58411 or WhatsApp us on the same number. Thank you and see you again soon.